Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, GT350. Hey, if you watch this channel, you know I love these things. Whipple supercharged, the 2018, running 93 octane fuel. Here's what's getting ready to happen. I have Doug with me. We're gonna make a dyno pull. You're gonna check it out. We're gonna go down, look at the Whipple, as well as a couple other mods we did to this particular GT350 right here. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, hit notify to stay up to date. And at the end of this video, if you love GT350s, I will put a link to a playlist where I have a ton of videos on 350s, keep you entertained for a while. Let's go check it out. All right, so this 18 GT350 came in for our Whipple Gen 5 package. Doug, come down here and take a look. Awesome intercooled supercharger. And these things make really awesome power. So if you have a GT350, you're looking to make over 700 of the tires. Most of these things make, I'd say, between 730 and 760 with the standard Whipple kit, which is what we have here. Whipple calibration, a lot of you always wonder that. But what's some other mods we do? We call our standard recipe. We have the big Adler radiator. Okay, we want a lot of cooling. Rear cylinder head cooling kit, cooler thermostat, bill of oil pump gears, and sprocket. So that's our reliability factor. Then the Gen 5 Whipple is what's going to lay a lot of power down to the ground. So we're going to run this up to about 8,000 RPMs roughly. It's a really sweet setup. If you have a GT350, you're looking for a lot more power, this is a good way to go. You can run 91 or higher octane with it. But we, in Indiana right now, we have 93, so that's what's on the car. Check out this dyno pull. All right, hope you like that dyno pull. That was factory exhaust, so no headers on this one right here. Rear wheel horsepower, Dynojet SAE 750, right on the money, 7,900 RPM. Torque came in at 523, peaking at almost 6,700 RPM. So that's a really sweet setup, and it's kind of crazy to think about these cars from the factory, like stock. You know, you're under 500 roll horsepower stock. If you have like cold air intake tune headers, you might get close to 500 roll horsepower. We're talking 750 to the tires. So if you have a 350, this is my absolute favorite, most reliable setup. So how do you get a quote on something like this built? You email quote@brenspeed.com. Check that description. I'm gonna put links to all the parts we just talked about. Doug, come over here, take one more look at this. 18 350. Doug told me a little bit ago, if he was buying a 350, this would be the exact same color combo he'd go for. I think I would get black, stripe delete, or matte black stripes. Maybe leave a comment on what combo of 350 you like, because I like to hear what's most popular out there. But again, check that description and everything. You can email, subscribe, notify, stay up to date. So yeah, email quote@brenspeed.com. Subscribe, notify. Thanks for watching.